Hello. Hi, Vachu. I am fine. How are you? I hope you all are very good. Okay, nice. So, first of all, I welcome to all of you on my Gupta Sir Math Hub YouTube channel. And whoever following me, thanks to them. And whoever come first time on my channel, thanks to them also. And I request them, please like and share and subscribe if you like, right? Okay, if your heart says, then subscribe. If it is worthful for you, subscribe it. This will be a motivation for me for another video, right? Okay, so as I have discussed with you, I am here to clear your basic concepts, and day by day I am clearing your basic concepts, and I am getting a very good support from your end. So it's a very nice for me and yourself also. Right. Okay. So in this series, now we'll see today exponents. This is the exponents, right? Exponents chapter. So this is a very much important chapter in this math. Now we'll see first of all what is the exponents, right? So can you think that if we write something 10 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, okay, it is a very big number. Even if sometimes you are asked to write the distance between earth and sun, it's a very big distance, right? Or distance between other heavenly bodies in the sky, right, in heaven, right? So that is a very much difficult if you write this in kilometer. If you write this in this much kilometer, to this much kilometer that you can count that 20, 40, 60 and 80. So 1 with 80, right? Sometimes we have to write somewhere in some book. Even in some books you are getting that is a 5.10 to the power 8 somewhere kilometer, right? Somewhere you get 0.3 into 10 to the power 4 kilometer. So why they have written like this? Why they have formed like this? Why they have presented like this? Because this is a very big distance, so they cannot write, they cannot show in figure, they cannot show in symbols. So it is very much necessary to present in short form, right? Okay. So here it is, suppose we have got 40, 80, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we can write 10 to the power 8 kilometer. We can write 10 to the power 8 because we have got 80. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 10 to the power 8. Right? It means that 10, we can read it. How? How can you read this? 10 raised to the power 8. 10 raised to the power 8. Right? 10 raised to the power 8 or 10 to the power 8. Right? In short, you can say 10 to the power 8. 10 to the power 6. 10 to the power 8. Right? So this is a number. How can you present it easily in kilometer or in centimeter or in any other units of other distances, right? Okay. Now we'll see in some algebraic form also. What is that form? Suppose you write A into A into B into B into C into C into C, right? Now it is to be presented in exponents form. This is called exponential form. This is called exponential form. What is called? Exponential form. Exponential form. Right. So now you have to represent this in exponential form. Now how can you represent this in exponential form? So A has in 2 in number, like A is 2 in number, B 2 in number, C is 3 in number. So A to the power, we'll write here, we'll write to the power 2. again b is written to the power 2 and c is written to the power 3. This is exponential form, this is algebraic, right? So I think it is clear to you. I think it is clear to you. Power says we have to multiply that things in time, frequency, right? If is to the power 2, I have to multiply it a into a. If c is to the power 3, I have to multiply c into c into c. If d is to power 5, I have to multiply d into d, like d into d into d into d into d, right? So this is the things, right? Now with this we have cleared in exponential form. How can we represent in exponential form, right? Now we'll see if some number in exponential form, how can we expand that number? How can we expand that number? Like, this is very much important, gentlemen. This is a very useful in daily life also, right? Okay. Now suppose something is given x to the power 5 and c to the power 8, c to the power, let it be 4, and y to the power 3. Okay. So that question may come that you show it in expanded form. How can you expand it? It is a very easy, gentlemen. So one by one we'll break these. This power means, this power says that you have to multiply the same that much times frequency, right? So here you can write x into x into x into x into x. So this is a 5 times. 2, 3, 5 times. Again we'll take it as a 4. So we can multiply c into c into c into c. This is a 4 times. And this is a 5 times, gentlemen. Again it is a turn of y. So we'll write y into y into y. This is 3 times. Just you can see, you can experience with this that x to the power 5 says x then will be multiplied 5 times. So this is a first time, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. This is x power. Now how you will see this? This is why this multiplied, because this all is a multiplication. These all are in multiplication, right? That's why we have to multiply. We have to put the sign of multiply. Okay, gentlemen. Now again c is a 4 times. C is a 4 times. So here it is, you can note it down. There is a first, second, third, fourth. Now this is a 4 times. Again this is a 4 times. Again this is a 3 times. So it is a 5 times. It is a 4 times. It is a 3 times. This is nice. Okay. So that you have seen how we can represent x to the power 5, c to the power 4, y to the power 3 in exponent form. Right? It is clear to you? This is a basic. This must be clear in your mind. This is going to help you in further questions that we are going to solve in next example. Right? Okay. Now we'll see some how to represent in exponential form. If sum is given, that like suppose 70, we take just a very small digit that will express the numbers in product of power of prime factors. The question that you have to express in product of power of prime factors. Okay. So suppose we have to express question is expressing product of power of prime factors. So you have to see this, what are the prime factors, right? Okay, this is the question. Now we are going to put this question, that is a 432. This is a digit. Now how we can present it in a product of power of prime factors? So first of all, to solve this question, we'll get a factorization of this 432. As you get the least common multiple, that is a factorization. So we'll get the factorization of this 432. Now we'll write here 432 again. Here we are writing the 432. We'll get the LCM of this or prime factorization, right? So 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 26, 2 16 is 32. So that you have to how just you have you had seen in the previous classes or in my classes in previous chapters that how we get the LCM. So first of all, we start with the LCM with a very smallest digit, that is a 2, 3, 4, but we'll start from the 2, right? We'll start from the 2. Okay, now we'll start from the 2, so it is a 2 to the 4 and 2 16 ja 32, right? Again, so now again we'll break these 2, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 8 ja 16, 108. Again this will be broken into 2 with will be divided by 2. So again this is a 54. Again this is a 27. Now it cannot be divided by 27. So we'll take another 3 digit. 3 9 ja 27. Again 3 3 ja 9. This is a correct. This is a correct, gentlemen. Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? So that we have get the LCM or factorization of this 432 number. This we have got the factorization of 432. Again, now we'll write this. This is now what we have got. That is a 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 4 times 2. So here we'll write 4 times 2. Again 3. So 3 is 3 times. 1 2 3. So again we'll write here 3 is 3 times. Right. Now we have to show in exponential form. So what should I write? So 2 is a 4 times. So here also we have written 2 is a 4 times. So we'll write 2 to the power 4. Again 3 is a 3 times. So we'll write here 3 is to the power 3. So this is your answer, that you have got this. So question was express product of powers of prime factors. That we have expressed like this. Okay, this is the very good example of this exponential form. How can you represent this 432 in exponential form? So you have to do the factorization of this. Whatever digit we get, we'll take, no issue. We'll take one more example also for you. There is no issue. So now we are going to have just another example, like we'll take some big digit. There is no issue that with so you can first of all you can note it down. Please note it down. Okay, then we'll take another example also. There is no issue. Okay, so now you have noted down. Okay, now we are going to take another example. What is that example? Right. Okay, another example, you can say this is a very much big digit, that you can say that is a 1000. Okay, 1000. We want to get the 1000. So for same thing, we'll get the factorization of this 1000. We'll get the factorization. How to get this factorization? So we'll write here 1000, and the same method will get the LCM, right? So again we'll start with the 2, so that you know 2 5 are 10 and it is a 500. Again also 2, so it 250. Now again we'll see this 250 will be divided by 2, so here it is a 125. Now this is 125 cannot be divided by 2. So another will take 3 cannot be 3 4 are 12. Thus it is not divided. Again we are taking the 4. It is not divided. Now it will take the 5. So 5, it is a 5 2 are 10, or 5 5 are 25. Again it is divided. Again we'll take the again 5 comes 5 5 25. So gentlemen, we'll write this 2 has come 3 times. 1 2 3. So 2 into 2 into 2. Again 5. 1 2 3. 5 into 5 into 5. Right. So again we'll write here 2 is a 3 times. So we'll write here 2 to the power 3. Again 5 is 3 times. We'll write here 5 to the power 3. Right. So 2 to the power 3, 5 to the power 3. So this is your right answer. This is your right answer. So now with this we have seen that we have got the answer in exponential form, right? That in a power of prime factorization, you can say. So gentlemen, this is the answer. Now we'll see how to get the answer from the this your exponential form, right? Okay. So just we'll do vice versa. just we'll do vice versa. Right, now just you can note it down, and we'll see with some another example that how to get the answer of this again if it is given in exponential form. Right, okay, good, you can note it down. Okay, I think you have noted down or you have taken the screenshot also. Now you must practice as I already requested you in previous classes, and today also I am requesting all the classes that math is a matter of practice. If you don't do the practice at your home, so this will go off. As the we have got the scientific reason also that 80% people forgets the things whatever happened before one day, right? So you must practice. Practice is the mool mantra. Practice is the mantra of this life. So we must do the practice at home, right? Okay, and you must subscribe also if you like this, and share also, right? Okay, so now we'll see the another example, right? What is that example? Right. Okay, so another example, we'll take the some exponential question form, right? If we want to take suppose 3 to the power 2 and 4 to the power 3 and a to the power 2 and simple, no issue. No issue. Okay, no, just no, you can add this alphabetical order also, there is no issue. First of all, we'll solve this. Okay, so now 3 square, so we can write 3 into 3. Again there is a multiplication sign, as I have discussed. There is if there is prime factor, there is a multiplication sign. Now again 4a power 3, so 4 into 4 into 4. Again a ka power 2 and another things, there is nothing, so we'll write there because there is no alphabetical. So we'll write again this number, no issue. And now it is a 3 3 ja 9, again 4 4 ja 16, 4 ja 64 and a square, right? So 6, now we'll multiply the 64 9 ja, so we'll multiply 9 4 ja 36, it is a 6 3, 9 6 ja 54 or 3, 5 3 57, 576 a square. So this is your right answer. So just we have seen that is a vice versa question. If it is in an exponential form, how to get the answer. If it is not in exponential form, or we have to get the in exponential form, how can we get it? So with this we have cleared these two things which was very much important. Now gentlemen, we'll see some rules in this, which is a very much important. And certainly that I promise that I will clear all the rules one by one with examples and solutions, right? And we'll give you the complete your results. If you understand this, if you are serious with me, I am serious with you, right? So you will get the correct answers, right? Okay, if you solve the problem sequentially, in sequence manner, right? Okay, step by step, right? Okay, now we'll take some rules also. Okay, what are the rules? Okay, why rules? I should multiply all those things. If it is a 3 square, we'll multiply 3 into 3. Again, if it is 3 square, again we are multiplying 3 into 3. Why we should follow the rules? Because if you remember the rules is to save your time. Very simple answer, gentlemen. Math rules are to save your time, right? That will save your time in exam, that will save your time in competitions exam, right? Because the person, the candidate who are sitting beside you, he can, if he is following the rules and you are busy in multiplying, it means you won't have the time to attempt the another questions. So the rules is very much necessary. What I am going to tell you, it is, please keep it in your mind, and practice. practice. So this triple P is most important for you, and you follow in your exam. This triple P, right? Okay. So we'll see the first rule. We'll see the first rule. What is that? What is that? Okay. So law of these are called the laws of exponents. These are called the laws of exponents. Okay. So now we are going to see the first law of exponents, right? We are going to see the first law of exponents, right? Okay. So what are the first law of exponents? Law of exponents. What are these laws? Right? It is very much important to save your time. What are the laws? Law says that is a to the power m and multiply a to the power n. So this results in a to the power m plus n. This is a very much important law. This is a very much important law. Now we are going to prove this. We are going to prove this. How? Why this is important? Why should I remember this? Why should I remember this? Why it is important for the exam? Why it is important for the competitive exam? Right? Because there is a very much less time. There is very much less time. We have, so we are given a very less time in competitive exam. Like you are getting for one question hardly 15 to 20 seconds. Hardly for 15 or 20 seconds. You are going to solve within this 15 or 20 seconds. So if you don't know the rule, you cannot solve. You cannot solve. You will solve. You will solve. I cannot say you will solve, but that will take the more time. But if you remember the rule, it is very much easy. Now we'll take the another this example. Suppose. Okay. So this is a first example that suppose you are given 3 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 6. So what says the traditional method? What says the traditional method? That you are multiplying this 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again you are multiplying this 3 to the power 6. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So again you are multiplying this much, again this much, right? Again both the part is multiplied together, right? So now this will take the time. In multiplying, this is correct. If we multiply this and we get the answer, this is correct. And if we say that you have to give the answer in exponential form, again what will you do? You will count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you will say that, sir, I will write the 3 to the power 11. It is also correct. It is correct. There is no doubt. No issue. Absolutely no issue. But the time you are spending in writing like this, so the time is saved. How it is that we know the law of exponent. What says the law of exponent? A to the power n. A is the base. And a to the power n. A is the base. So we can write a to the power m plus n. This power is added. This power, gentlemen, this power is added. This power is added. Now, so what you are going to write? Here if you are going to solve this question, so we'll write 3 to the power 5 plus 6. So we can write 3 to the power 11. No need to write this much things. If this happens only in one case, when base is same. What is this base? Base is A here, base is A here. So both base are same and powers are different. But base are same. Then powers will be added. Please keep my words in your mind. You can remember it. If base is same and powers are different, so power will be added. If base are same, powers are different, so power will be added. Now a to the power m plus n. Because a to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. Correct? Okay. Now here same case here it has happened. 3 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 6.
So here we see that power is same. Sorry, power is different, but base is same. Base 3, here it is 3 base, again 3 base. So base is same, powers are different. So when base is same, base I have written and powers are added, 5 plus 6. So 3 to the power 11. Clear? Getting a point? Getting a point? Okay. So this was the first law of exponents. I think it is clear. If it is not clear, then you can comment me on the comment box, or you can mail me. I would be happy to reply your mail. Okay, right. So you can note it down. You can note it down, and we'll get some another example based on this law. Okay. Okay. And this law of exponents is going to help you very much, that while solving the big questions in this chapter. Right. Okay. So you can note it down. Okay. Done. Done. Okay. So we'll take another example. What is that? What is that example? Okay. Now suppose. Now we'll take some algebraic form example, like suppose x to the power 5 and x to the power 3 and y to the power 4 and c to the power 5 and c to the power 3 and we'll see some d. Right. So we are going to solve this. How? How we are going to solve this? How? Suppose. Now x to the power 5, here also x to the power 3, here for x to the power 5. That you know, if base is same, then power will be added. If base is same, power will be added. No, you can very easily you can write, sir, 5 plus 3. It is. Again, another alphabetical that we don't have y, so we'll write here y to the power 4 alone. No issue. Again, just we see that C has got two terms, like one has got power 5 and one has got power 3. So C is 5 plus 3. Again, D is alone, so we'll write here D. There is no issue. No issue, absolutely no issue. So we'll write here x to the power 8 and y to the power 4 and c to the power 8 and d. So the gentlemen, this is your right answer. This is your right answer. X to the power 8, y to the power 4, c to the power 8 and d. This is the right answer. Gentlemen, are you getting this point? Are you getting this point? This is a very good. This is very good answer. Right. Okay, you can note it down, and we'll take some another laws. We'll take another law. This was the first law. We have 3 or 4 laws, so we'll take some another law, and this was the first law. Okay. So I'm going to finish this first law, and you might have noted this, right? You can have a screenshot also, but my suggestion is to practice at your home. Practice it. Practice. Triple P. That we must remember. We should not forget. Triple P. P. Practice. Okay? This is the mantra of this subject, right? If you want to do better in this subject, you have to practice. Okay. And go through all the papers. If you some questions you are unable to solve, you can put it in comment box. I will submit. I will take the next class on that same question. No issue. Okay. So you can note it down. Good. And you must write the views on this class also. You must comment. Right? Okay. Now we'll see the second law. What says the second law? Okay. Second law, like suppose we have dividing powers that I have seen multiply, right? We'll see the dividing powers. Suppose a to the power m divide. What is this? Divide a to the power n. So in divide, power is subtracted m minus n. What is that? M minus n. Or either you can write in other forms also. A to the power m upon a to the power n equal to a to the power m minus n. So the funda is same. Same funda. If basic is same, we can solve it very quickly. Basic is same. Base must be same. If base is same, powers are different. If it is in the divide form, powers will be deducted. Okay, powers will be minus. Okay, no. We'll take some another example like 4 to the power 5 and divide 4 to the power 3. So what will you write? What is the answer? This is a 4. This is a 4. What is the answer? Simply you will say, sir, nothing to worry. So we'll write 4 to the power 5 minus 3. So answer is 4 to the power 2. This is right answer. Or you can write 4 4 just 16 if you multiply 4 into 4. Getting a point? Getting a point? Okay. We'll take some another example. Like if suppose it is in the written like x to the power 6 upon x to the power 3. X to the power 6 upon x to the power 3. So how can you solve this? So we'll write x to the power 6 minus 3, result is x to the power 3. Getting a point? Gentlemen, getting a point? Are you getting a point? Getting a point? Okay, done, good. So now okay. Achha, you have doubt? No issue, no issue. No issue. We'll take another example also. We'll take another example. So you might have noted this. We'll take some another example. Right? Okay. Come. Get on for the another example. So I am deleting this. Right? Okay. Now you give me what type of question should I take? Okay. Suppose you are taking the question is x to the power 5, 6, 8. Actually, you want 8. Okay. And what is the another number? X to the power. What do you want to take? Minus 9. Okay. You take the minus 9. There is no issue. No. Absolutely no issue. Okay. So now x to the power 8 and x to the power minus 9. We are going to solve this. So we are saying this base is same. So again we'll follow the same rule that what says power is minus. Power is deducted. So we'll write here x to the power 8 minus in bracket minus 9. Gentlemen, see this factor. X to the power 8 upon x to the power minus 9 equal to x to the power 8 minus in bracket we'll write the minus 9. Correct? Okay. So now your answer will be x to the power, this minus is plus, so 8 plus 9, so result is x to the power 17. This is your right answer. Getting a point? Okay, good. Now. Okay, you want some another digit like very it is a less and this is a high. Okay, no problem. So just you can note it down. We'll take another example also for you. Okay. Right. Okay. Take another example. As you have said, we'll take some another example. Like suppose here it is b to the power 3 and here it is b to the power 4. Right? 4 you can say another big digit will take 5. Okay. No issue. So what can you so how we'll follow the same process. There is no issue. What type of digit I don't know. We'll follow the law of exponents. That what we know, b to the power 3 minus 5. So result is b to the power minus 2. This is your right answer. Okay, gentlemen? You can note it down. With this we have cleared the two laws. Okay? Two laws we have cleared? No. We'll discuss the more laws in the next class. Okay? So, if you want that notification you should get in time for the next class, you must subscribe this, like and share this. Right? This will be a big motivation for you and from your end. Big support. Thank you. Thank you very much. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you. You can note it down. Don't forget to note it down. Okay? Okay.